My quick 90s makeup thing in like maybe less than 5 minutes. I have a crook in my neck, so I'm really not enjoying it right now. So I'm just refreshing my face. Normally I apply sunscreen. To be honest, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I know my hair looks crazy. Like, having a crook in your neck is not pretty. And I'm gonna go with my concealer. And we're going to take one of these and
He said, I gotta give you some sleep because they're gonna be leaving. That's why he came back to the door. Yeah, they gonna be leaving. I know I gotta get some. Shoot, we'll be back though. We'll be back, boy. You know you have to go back out. We got this early sleep and stuff because we feel like I guess we go outdoors, we don't get no sleep.
don't forget to rub it down a little bit too. So, and now I'm just gonna line my lips with brown. Very not a good shade because it's not working, but whatever. Now we're gonna go in with the black Radiance 5016. And I'm gonna do Clinique Black Honey over it. I'll clean it up later. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyes with Glistening and L.A Colors in the corner. And now we're gonna do Ready, Set, Go. So far, this is what it looks like. I know I look crazy because my hair really isn't the slickest. Again, we're going in with Clinique High Impact Mascara. That one. I've done that. And now we're gonna do our underneath liner. Oh, I forgot. Don't want to do that. Got it going underneath it. And now we're gonna do a little highlighter, although I don't think they wore a highlighter back then, but just a little bit on my nose, eyebrow, a little bit, there. So it looks like my 90s inspired type of makeup. Matte and Poreless Outer, just in the center, under eye, chin, around nose. I'm gonna pat this in on my hand. There. That is my under 6 minutes makeup tutorial that's inspired by the 90s.